Hello, my name is Michael Bonner. I'm the founder and CEO here at GovPilot. In this video, I'm going to provide a brief overview of GovPilot's cloud-based receipting and expense tracking module. We have worked with a number of our current government customers in designing this module for tracking of COVID-19 related expenses. Just 1 month into the COVID-19 pandemic, one of our county customers has used this module to track expenses already exceeding $1.5 million. This module will allow them and other local governments around the country to keep organized records and quickly apply to FEMA for reimbursement of COVID-19 related expenses. We have made this, along with 9 other modules, available for free to help your government manage operations during this pandemic. There is no catch. The only condition is that once life gets back to normal, we would appreciate an opportunity to demonstrate the efficiency that GovPilot can bring to your local government. Let me now demonstrate how all of your departments and employees can document and track their COVID-related expenses for future reimbursement by FEMA. So as you can see, you log in, there's a dashboard, and that dashboard is providing insight and access to data. It allows users to identify problem areas and areas of high efficiency. The colored tiles represent unique modules and their queried and sorted data sets. They also show the record count contained within. I can see on the top left orange tile titled Receipts, I have 99 COVID-19 receipts. Although the dashboard comes configured off the shelf, it can easily be customized by creating new custom tiles representing the data that's important to each of your individual users. Let's say I'm a city manager and I want to see expenses for cleaning materials. I can click on my receipting tile to drill down to the underlying data. Here you can see individual records in a spreadsheet view. The columns can be sorted or filtered similar to any spreadsheet. I'll click on the individual record to see more detailed information. I've gotten to this record with just 2 clicks from my home screen. Let's enter a new record. I'm the head of emergency management and I've purchased N95 masks for our staff. I will click on the receipting tile. Next, I'll click on the Create New button. It brings me to my receipt details form. I'll enter my information. I'll click my Add Receipt button. Next, I'll look up the associated receipt codes by typing COVID. As you can see, the module comes with many associated COVID-related expense codes. I'll select the N95 mask code by clicking on it. Payment type is purchase order. I'll enter the cost, payment date, and payment number if needed. I can also add a description for the expense. I'll click Save. As you can see, the expense has been logged. Additionally, I'd like to attach the paper receipt for this expense. So I'll click New, select Files, and find the scan receipt on my desktop. I'll click on it, hit Done, and you can see that the physical receipt is now associated with this record. Let's go back to our home screen by clicking on the home icon from the toolbar on the left. As you can see, the tile count has increased by 1 for a new total of 100 COVID-19 related expenses. The platform is highly dynamic and can be configured to your government's needs. Let's suppose a new department is entering an expense that is not listed within the templated module. I would simply create the new department and new code the new expense code by clicking on the drop-down menu, the drop-down arrow rather, next to the receipts, and select the receipt code tile. I would then click on my Create New button to write my new expense code. I'll type in my department and the new COVID-19 code. Moving forward, the expense code will be available in the lookup field when entering new records. All right, let's hop over to Reports. I'll click on the report icon. You'll see various reports we have set up in this demo account. I'll click on the Receipts by Department report. Let me change my date range to March 1st. I'll select the Department of Public Safety, OEM. As you can see, this report is 12 pages long. It is broken out the department name and expense code here, showing the Department Public Safety, OEM, and COVID-19 expense code for foam hand wash. I can scroll one page at a time through the report and see the various expenses related to the Department of Public Safety and OEM, or click to the last page and see a summary total of $1.6 million. I can clear my selection and view an individual expense code, or select multiple expense codes simply by clicking on them. I can also easily print my report to create physical records. I hope you found this brief overview to be a benefit. Please feel free to reach out to our customer success team with any questions you might have about our COVID-19 expense tracking and receipting module for FEMA reimbursement. This cloud-based module and 9 others designed to help local governments organize their COVID-19 response are available for free at govpilot.com/free. Thank you very much.